A graph is a tree if and only if it is minimally connected. To prove this theorem, we have to know first what is graph and then what is tree and what is minimally connected. Now, graph consists vertices and edges such that edge with an unordered pair of vertices. What is the meaning of this? For example, they say that graph consists vertices and edges. If this is vertices v1, vertex means a point and edge means a line e1. Can this form a graph? And another condition they say that each edge with an unordered pair of vertices. That means each edge in the graph it is with unordered pair of vertices. Here one vertex is there, no other vertex here. If we consider this, we can say that graph. Why? Because the edge E1 is identified with the unordered pair of vertices V1, V2. Why the word unordered is used? The edge is, we can represent edge E1, it is identified with V2 to V1 also. V2 to V1 also. So, ordered means V1 to V2 is different from V2 to V1. But here V1 to V2 is same and V1 to V2 to V1 is same. So, it is word used unordered. Unordered pair of vertices. How one edge and one vertices can become a graph? If this is a one vertex and this is edge, self loop called. So this we can call it as graph. Why? Because E1 is identified as V1 to V1. One vertex V1 to vertex V1. So this we can say that this is a graph. Now this is a graph. We can call only one vertex is there. This is also graph. This is also graph without any edge. Only one vertex or one or two vertex. Why? Because here this is called as null graph. Without edge it is called as null graph. But without vertex there is no graph. If there is no vertex then there is no graph. So then we have to know what is tree and what is minimally connected. So tree means a graph which is connected and circuitless. For example, a tree means a graph without any circuit, connected graph without any circuit. What is connected? This is connected graph. And if we take this is disconnected graph. Why? Because here no connection from here to here. Here from here to here for all vertexes are connected. Here there is no connection. If we take this and this only, then we can say this is connected. This is also connected. But if we take this whole, it is not connected. What is circuit? It must not, a tree is not have a circuit. Circuit is a closed walk in which no vertex except initial and final vertex appears more than once is called a circuit. What is a walk of a graph? If this is a graph, consider this is a graph. Then what is walk? V1, V2, V3. These are vertices. And A, B, C. These are edges. This is one edge, this is one edge, this is one edge. What is the walk of a graph? This is a graph. This is example for graph. What is walk of a graph? Walk of graph means V1 vertex V1 A and V2 B, V3 vertex and C. C represent this V1. This is a called complete walk of this graph. What is circuit? A closed walk in which this is a closed walk. This is a closed walk. Why? Because V1 to V1 it closes here. If consider this one V1 A, V2, B, V3. What is the walk of this graph? For example, V1, V3, V2, A, B. Now what is walk of this graph? V1, A, V2, B, V3. This is not closed walk. Why? Because here V1, V2, V3. It not connects V1. So it is not a closed walk. So if this type of walk is there, then it is not a circuit. So the graph which has this type of walk, it is called circuit. So tree is not a circuit. So this if we represent this V1, V2, V3, V4, here A, B, C. Now V1, A, V2, B, V3, C, V4. This is not a closed walk. This is not a closed walk. So it is not a circuit. So by that we can say this is a tree. Now what is minimally connected graph? A graph G is said to be minimally connected if removal of any edge from it is disconnected graph. If we remove any edge from this graph, if we remove C, what it becomes? If we remove C, we get V1, V2, V3. If we remove C, here V4. If we remove C, this is a disconnected graph. Only vertex is also graph. Why? Because it is null graph. So here it is disconnected from here to here. So we can say this whole, if we consider, this is a disconnected graph. So minimally connected means one removal of any one edge causes disconnected graph. So now we have to prove this theorem. Let G be a tree. Let G be a tree. If we consider G is a tree, then G is connected and circuitless. If a graph is tree, according to definition of tree, connected graph without any circuit, then G is connected and circuitless. Also there exists one and only path between a pair of vertices in G. Why it is? If we consider any two vertices in a tree, there exists only one path. Consider V4 and V1. What is the path from here to here? C, B, A. This is one and only path. Similarly, if we consider this vertex and this vertex, C, B, only this is only a path. If we consider V3 and V1, A, B, only one path. This is only one path. There is no other path. If there exists more than one path, what it becomes? The intersection of path become a circuit. If from here to here one path, if there is another path from here, it forms a circuit. If there exists no path, if we consider here to here, there is no path, that means it is disconnected. This edge not exist. If there is no path from here to here, it become disconnected graph. Here, from here to, in this graph, here to here there is no path, only here. So it is a disconnected graph. So if it is a tree, then there exists one and only path between a pair of vertices in G. Any pair we can choose, there exists one and only one path. If we remove one edge from G, if we remove any one edge from G, then a graph gets disconnected. Then that graph disconnected. Hence G is minimally connected. What is the definition of minimally connected graph? G is said to be minimally connected if removal of one edge from it become disconnected graph. So by that we can say there exists one and only path. By that we can say that G is minimally connected. If we remove any one edge from that, then the graph gets disconnected. Now if we consider G is a minimally connected graph, minimally connected means if we remove any one edge from that graph, it becomes disconnected graph. Suppose that there is a circuit in a minimally connected graph. Suppose there is a circuit in a graph Then by removing an edge from circuit, if we remove any edge from circuit, graph still remains connected. This is example for circuit. If we remove this one edge, if we remove this edge, what it become? The graph remains as same. If we remove one edge from here, this is example for circuit. If we remove one edge, what it become? The graph remains as connected. If we remove one edge, if we remove the graph remains connected. From any circuit, we remove any one edge, the graph remains connected. This is contradiction to our assumption minimally connected. What is minimally connected? When we remove any one edge, it becomes disconnected graph. So it is not possible. So G must be circuitless. To become minimally connected, G must be circuitless if it is minimally connected. Hence, G is a tree. If it is minimally connected, it is a tree, and if it is tree, then it is minimally connected. So a graph is a tree if and only if it is a minimally connected. Hence the proof.